Hello, hope you're all well. This will just be a quick update on my current progress as I've been continuing to build my bartering system. Following on from my previous video, I now have my bartering canvas set up with all the elements needed to populate it with customer data. It is looking a bit bare bones at the moment and I will be playing around with some different layouts later, but for now I just wanted to make sure that it works as intended. So to start things off, I added all my elements, which is comprised of text boxes, buttons and the all-important slider in the centre. I then got to work on coding the Bartering Manager script. As you can see, I've created references to all the relevant UI elements for the bartering canvas. This will allow us to dynamically display data about each customer and item during interactions. To transfer the customer data to the canvas via a button click, I wrote a setCustomerData method. This method is responsible for updating the canvas elements based on the data passed to it. To connect this with the customer's data, I combined functionality from the customer data and customer interaction scripts together. In the customer interaction script, I added a push data to Bartering Manager method. This method is called when the button to open the bartering canvas is clicked. It retrieves the necessary data with the customer and passes it to the setCustomerData method in the Bartering Manager. By structuring it this way, the customer's specific information is dynamically displayed on the canvas during interactions. Finally, I set up my slider values to have a max value of the item's store price and a set value of the customer's initial offer. When the slide is moved, it then changes the value of the text inside the haggle button. Now that the data is displaying correctly on the bartering canvas, I've identified a few elements missing in the customer data that I'll need to add before tackling the bartering functionality. For instance, the customer needs more dialogue options for different stages of the negotiation process. When the player makes an offer, the customer should respond with unique dialogue and adjust their offer percentage dynamically. Additionally, I need dialogue for scenarios such as when they accept an offer, when the player accepts their offer, or if they decide to leave empty-handed. Once these dialogue options and offer adjustments are implemented, I'll focus on building the actual bartering functionality. I also plan to create a script to track and store the player's gains and losses. And that's everything for now. Thank you very much for watching and I'll see you on the next one.